Hi, I'm Eric Sensenich with Sensenich Jewelers, and today we are going to fix this crack that's in the bottom of this ring. Cracks can come from many different things, but one thing that a lot of people don't know is some cracks can be formed by exposure to Clorox or bromine in hot tubs or chlorine in swimming pools. And so that's one thing. It doesn't actually eat away the metal or anything, but it causes it to become brittle, so instead of it bending, it breaks. Not saying that this crack is, but that's what we're going to do, is actually fix this crack. So the first thing we've got to do is put a little bit of this, what's called paste solder, into the joint. This one isn't really jagged, so we don't. If it's a jagged break, sometimes you have to true up the edges to get it together. But this one's not. So the paste solder in there helps the solder, whenever we fix it, flow into where it needs to. And we need to do just a little bit of bending to get it to line up here. Perfect. Okay, so we just clamp it up. Actually, since it's soldered together, we need to clamp it like this so that way it won't come apart. Then we dip it in this solution, which is denatured alcohol and a little bit of borax, which helps clean the metal and then keep it clean during the process so nothing burns and causes the gold to turn black. Then we break off a little piece of what's called sheet solder. If everything was turned on. And both those tanks is acetylene and oxygen, and that's what we use to do all of our repair work. We do have a hydrogen tank at home, and that's what we use for our casting. You grab this little, what looks like a little pick, and that's what gets the ball of gold after it's heated up. Gets it where it needs to. Yeah, and like I said, if the denatured alcohol hasn't completely evaporated yet, then it'll sit there and burn, which is okay. It does help that this is a diamond ring. If it's diamond, ruby, or sapphire, we don't have to make sure the stones are in water. If it's anything else, we've got to make sure the stone's in water because they can't take heat, and so they can break. And now we've repaired it. So I'll wait for that to cool. I'll put it in the cleaner, do a little bit of filing on it, polish it, and it'll look good as new. Thanks a lot for watching.